So I've unpackaged the wristband for the Fitbit Charge 2, and it had some plastic along the band itself, which was somewhat difficult to remove, but I did remove it. I'm just going to show a quick video on this now. To remove the band, well, this band is broken, so it easily comes off. Okay, but to remove this, you basically just push this lever and you lift up. So after you have this piece here, you have this piece, just supposedly you can easily attach it by sticking it through here. Okay. You push the lever down on the band itself and you insert. Okay. And you do the same with the other side. There's a lever here. You just push it, and then it should slide in. Difficult. So let me take a look at this. There. So it snaps into place, and it's a nice looking Fitbit, and it opens up right here, and it includes a screwdriver, but it doesn't include any instructions on how to remove these edges if it doesn't fit my wrist. I'm just going to try it. Actually, it is a bit loose. It looks like I'll probably have to remove one of the chain pieces, but other than that, it looks pretty nice. If you have any questions, please post your question below and I'll be sure to answer it. And if you like videos on technology or gadgets, please consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll be notified of new videos. Thank you.